Here is a simple step-by-step procedure for making a green lava lamp using vinegar, vegetable oil, baking powder and green food color. Take a transparent glass jar and baking soda in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the glass jar. Take vegetable oil and pour it into the glass jar until it is full. Take a separate glass and add white vinegar to it. Mix green food color to vinegar until it becomes uniformly green. Place the LED lamp underneath the transparent glass jar full of vegetable oil. Carefully pour the green vinegar water mixture into the glass jar containing the oil. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the liquids to separate into two layers. The reaction between vinegar and baking soda produces carbon dioxide gas. These gas bubbles carry the colored water upward through the oil. Observe the formation of green bubbles that rise through the oil. As the carbon dioxide bubbles burst at the surface, the green liquid falls back to the bottom, producing a continuous lava lamp effect. This experiment demonstrates differences in density, the immiscibility of oil and water, and the production of carbon dioxide gas during a chemical reaction. Hope you enjoyed it.